In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show Google Keep in Gmail. By the end of this guide, you'll be seamlessly integrating your notes with your email for a more unified and efficient experience. Let's delve into this process step by step. First, you'll want to open your Google Chrome browser. As most of us know, Google Chrome is not just a fast and reliable browser, it also offers flawless integration with Google's suite of apps, ensuring your user experience remains smooth and uninterrupted. Once you have your browser open, head over to a new tab and navigate to Google's homepage. Now this might seem pretty straightforward, but bear with me as we move through these steps. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see the Google Apps icon. This is that little square made up of 9 smaller squares. Click on it. This icon is a gateway to all of Google's services from Google Drive to YouTube and of course Gmail. Clicking on this will display a drop-down menu of apps. Scroll through them and locate Gmail. It's usually one of the more prominent options given its popularity and frequent usage. Click on it to open your Gmail inbox. Now that you're in Gmail, you might notice the right hand side panel. It's a vertical bar with several icons. This panel is a powerful tool that often goes unnoticed but is there to make multitasking a breeze. It includes apps like Google Calendar, Tasks, and Keep, which is what we're particularly interested in today. This side panel is designed intentionally to help you streamline your workflow without needing to toggle between tabs or windows. Look closely and you'll find the Google Keep icon among these options. It'll look like a little light bulb, which is very fitting considering how it helps illuminate your ideas and thoughts in note form. Click on this icon. Doing so opens Google Keep directly within Gmail, allowing you immediate access to your notes without ever leaving your email interface. With Google Keep now open, you have the power to create, edit, and view your notes right alongside your emails. This combination can significantly enhance your productivity by letting you jot down important thoughts as you read through your messages or cross-reference email content with your notes for more detailed task management. And there you have it. By following these easy steps, you've integrated Google Keep into your Gmail. This setup is not only convenient but also saves time and keeps everything you need right at your fingertips. With this integration, you're set to enhance your productivity and organization in your daily digital routine. Thanks for watching and feel free to subscribe for more tech-savvy tips like this one.